Lately, I've noticed a very weird phenomenon where the video that I uploaded, whether it be YouTube, Instagram, or other social media platforms, there's a slight stutter or lag. Let me show you right here. It happens right there. You see that? You see that lag? Let me play a different video. See it right there. So I don't know what's going on. So today I'm gonna show you guys various methods on how to fix this annoying issue. So the phone I'm using is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, but as it appears, it's a rampant problem with Samsung Galaxy phones in general, not just for the Note. Alright, so the first option we're going to try is turning off video stabilization. So you just simply go to the cameras, click on the setting, video stabilization. I need to turn it off. So what I record with is 4K video at 30 frames per second for the rear camera. Okay, so once we turn it off, now let's go ahead and try it, recording a 4K video. Alright, so just transfer the file from my phone to my PC. Let's go ahead and play it. So far so good. It's smooth. Hey, I think that fixed it. Wow. Very simple fix. I'm still going to show you the two other methods in the event that you don't want to constantly turn on and off image stabilization, especially if you are into sports, which requires a lot of movement. Alright, so the second option is to go to your phone settings, go to display, and change the screen resolution from WQHD, that's where I set it at the highest capacity, down to the default FHD, which is slightly lower resolution. That's what it's intended to. Or the third option, go back to your camera settings and under advanced recording options, go ahead and turn on high efficiency video, which is HEVC format. But keep in mind that some devices might not play this type of format. So with those three methods, you can mix and match or use all three if you have trouble getting rid of the stutter.